In today's video, we're breaking down Taja AI and what it actually does for creators. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're already creating long videos but feel very overwhelmed trying to turn them into shorts, clips, and posts across multiple platforms, this tool is designed for that exact situation. A lot of creators think the hardest part is filming, but in reality, filming is usually the easiest step. The real work starts after the camera turns off, like cutting the clips, writing captions, making thumbnails, figuring out what to post, where to post it, and when. The process can truly feel endless sometimes, especially if you're trying to stay consistent without burning out. Taja AI focuses on what happens after you already have the content done. This review is going to walk you through what Taja AI is, how it works, and how it fits into a real creator workflow, and whether it actually makes sense for you. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics. What is Taja AI? So it's a content repurposing and auto scheduling platform built for video creators. Its main job is to help you turn one long video into multiple short form pieces of content and then distribute them across platforms without doing everything manually. You start with a finished video. That might be a YouTube video, a podcast recording, or any long form video where you talk on camera. Taja AI analyzes that video and helps create short clips, captions, and thumbnails, and platform-ready posts from it. Those pieces can then be scheduled to publish across different social platforms from one place. Taja doesn't necessarily help you write scripts, but it helps you get more reach and more output from the content that you've already created. Now, let's talk about the problem Taja AI is solving. So, most creators aren't short on ideas, they're short on time and energy. Creating one video already takes effort, and when that video is finished, you're left with a long list of additional tasks. You have to find good moments to clip, you have to edit those clips for vertical videos, you have to add captions, you have to think about thumbnails, then you have to log in on multiple platforms to post everything. Doing all of that manually can easily double or triple the time it takes to publish content. That is usually the reason creators fall behind or stop posting consistently. Taja AI is designed to reduce that workload. It helps automate the repurposing process so that one video can turn into many posts without requiring hours of extra work. Now let's talk about how it actually works at a high level. So Taja AI starts with an existing video. Once that video is uploaded or connected, the platform analyzes the content and then looks for moments that can work well as short form clips. These clips are formatted for vertical video and paired with captions and visuals that are suitable for short form platforms. Instead of exporting files manually for each platform, Taja AI prepares content so it's ready to publish. From there, you can review the clips, make adjustments if needed, and then schedule them to post across platforms from one dashboard. The idea really is to centralize repurposing and scheduling so content distribution feels actually manageable instead of overwhelming. Now let's talk about some of the key features. So first off is automatic clip creation. So one of the core features of Taja AI is automatic clip creation. Instead of scrubbing through your entire video timeline to find highlights, the platform identifies moments that can be used as short clips. This is going to save you so much time, especially if your videos are longer or if you create content regularly. The clips are designed to fit vertical formats, which are required for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. You still have control. You can review clips, remove ones that you don't like, and then adjust timing before posting. The automation is there to speed things up, not take over creative decisions. Another key feature is captions and subtitles. Most people scroll without sound, so captions are often the difference between someone actually watching or skipping your video. Taja AI automatically generates captions for clips and then syncs them to the video. This removes the need to use a separate caption tool or manually typing everything out. The captions are meant to make clips easier to watch and understand, especially on mobile devices. You can review and edit captions before scheduling to make sure they're accurate and match your tone. Next is thumbnail and visual generation. So Taja AI also helps with visuals, including thumbnails for clips. So creating thumbnails for every short form video can be very time consuming, especially if you post often. Instead of designing everything manually, Taja AI generates visuals that are ready to post. This helps keep content consistent and saves time during the repurposing process. This feature is especially useful for creators who want their short form content to look polished without spending hours in design tools. Next is platform ready formatting. So every platform has different requirements. Video dimensions, caption placement, and post formats vary depending on where you're actually posting. Taja AI handles this by preparing clips in platform ready formats. This reduces the chances of uploading content that looks cropped, misaligned, or incorrect. So this feature is subtle, but it removes removes a lot of smaller frustrations that add up over time when posting manually. And lastly, auto scheduling across platforms. One of probably the biggest benefits of Taja AI is the auto scheduling. So instead of logging into every single platform individually, you can schedule posts from one place. This is so helpful if you batch content or want to plan posts in advance. Once everything is scheduled, your content publishes automatically based on your chosen schedule. This feature supports consistency, which is one of the hardest things for creators to maintain long term. Now let's talk about how Taja AI fits into a real creator workflow. Taja AI fits into the workflow after filming and editing your main video. A simple workflow looks like this. You could record and edit a long video as usual. Once the video is finished, you upload it to Taja AI. The platform helps generate clips, captions, and visuals. You review everything, schedule posts, and then move on to creating your next piece of content. This allows you to focus on filming and ideas instead of constantly thinking about distribution. Over time, this can make content creation feel lighter and so much more sustainable. Now that you really understand what Taja AI does, let's talk about the different plans and pricing options, because this obviously is a factor in determining whether you actually purchase or not. So if you want to click our link, you can actually get started for free. We're going to go ahead and click on pricing. Okay, so they've got a couple different options here. They have monthly plans or annual plans. I'm going to go over the annual plans because you can actually save 20%. So they've got the starter, professional, and teams. The starter plan is $15.99 per month, billed annually. With this, you get one user, you get YouTube long form optimization, shorts generation, blog, LinkedIn, and threads, post generation, content scheduling, and more. They've also got a professional plan, which is $39.99 per month, billed annually. And with this, you get one user, but you get more videos, more shorts generation, and then everything else that's in the starter plan. And lastly is the team/agency. So this is $79.99 per month, billed annually. With this, you get 5 users, and then you get unlimited videos for YouTube long form optimization, shorts generation, then everything else that's in the professional plan. Okay, so definitely choose a plan that best fits your needs. I'd recommend starting the free trial with whatever plan you think you will need, just so you can really get a good idea of what you're going to be needing. Now let's touch on some of the pros and cons. Starting off with the pros, Taja AI is going to save you so much time on content repurposing and scheduling. It's going to reduce the need for multiple tools and help creators like you post more consistently. It really works well for creators who already produce long form video and want to expand their reach on short form platforms. It also centralizes the post-production workflow, which just makes content distribution so much easier to manage. Now for the cons. So Taja AI works best if you already create video content. If you don't have any long videos to repurpose, you're probably not going to get much value. Also, you still do need to review content before posting. It's not on autopilot. Also, automation helps, but it does not replace judgment. If you enjoy editing and posting manually, the platform will probably feel unnecessary. Now, is Taja AI for you? Again, I know I keep repeating this, but if you're already creating long form videos and you want to get more value out of them without adding more work to your schedule, then this is 1000% worth it. If filming is not the problem, but posting everywhere is, this tool is basically designed for you. It's especially great for creators who feel stretched thin, trying to keep up with shorts platforms. If you want to grow on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Shorts, but struggle with consistency, this tool can really help you bridge that gap. If you only create occasional videos or prefer full manual control over every single clip you post, you might not need a tool like this. Taja AI is most valuable when volume and consistency matter. The platform is about saving time and reducing friction. It's not about shortcuts or replacing creativity. It just simply helps distribute your content more efficiently so you can focus on creating instead of constantly posting. Now let's go ahead and talk about some bonus tips for using Taja AI effectively. So first off, start by uploading one video and learning the workflow before adding everything at once. This is going to help you understand how clips are generated and how scheduling works without feeling overwhelmed. Next is to always review clips, captions, and visuals before scheduling. Automation, of course, speeds things up, but final review ensures your content still feels like you. Next is to use batching to your advantage. Uploading multiple videos and scheduling content in advance is going to help you stay consistent without daily posting stress. But definitely pay attention to which clips perform best on different platforms. Over time, this can guide how you create future long-form content. And lastly, give the platform a few weeks before deciding if it fits your workflow. Like any tool, it takes time to see real benefits once it becomes part of your routine. As a personal note, I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to keep up with content across multiple platforms, especially when you're already doing so much just to create the main video. But tools like this are meant to support you, not replace your creativity. If you want to check out Taja AI for yourself and get access to a free trial, don't forget to use our exclusive exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free reviews and content just like this. This channel is dedicated to breaking down software tools and online platforms in a simple, honest way so you can create smarter and grow with confidence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.